talk about her soon. But first, I would like to start by thanking you all for all the amazing birthday wishes you've sent me personally on Messenger, on my WhatsApp. Some of you have called me, you've sent me some cakes and bouquets. My house was really glowing and my timeline was literally popping up every second. So thank you for all this love. I personally can't really thank all of you there, but let me assure you that I've read each and every message out there, and I'll definitely be answering few of them because they have really touched my heart. So thank you for loving me so much. I love you a lot. A lot of hugs and kisses back to you. And let's start with the amazing session today of our favorite live session, which is Know Thy Brand Square, which is with our favorite co-working space, Work Square. And today, as I told you, I have this beautiful lady, Vidhi Mehra, sitting with me, who is a founder of an amazing company I came to know about. It's called Candy Cane Club. Now, what is Candy Cane Club? Who is Vidhi Mehra? What is the story behind this amazing brand? Let's hear it from her. Yeah. Welcome, Vidhi.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you here. And in fact, the conversation we had before the live was so interesting. And I am sure my mothers will also like it, and they'll all be hooked to it to know more about Candy Cane Club. Yeah.
Of course. So, hello everyone, and thank you, Neha, for bringing me in front of such a good audience. And I would also like to thank Work Square, the place where we actually work and where all these ideas and the birth of Candy Cane Club sort of happened. And we've been here for 6 months, and the kind of energy you see around here, the kind of interesting people that you meet on daily basis, couldn't have been better. So introducing myself, I am Vidhi Mehra, founder of Candy Cane Club. It's India's first play parenting club, where the focus of the club is to create play opportunities.
Play parenting club.
Yes, it's the play parenting club. We are not a parenting place, but a play parenting.
In fact, Vidhi, this is like a very unique concept. Sure. And when you brief me about it, I think that nobody in India has something like this.
No.
Like a very unique offering. And guys, you should know about it because in Momo, we are known to bring in this kind of special guest on our hot seats, and also offering you something very unique. Vidhi, if you can first highlight about the play parenting part of it.
Sure.
What exactly is the Play Parenting Club?
Sure. So what we believe is that play is the start of all conversations. Play is the most important essence that has to be there between parent and child, because without play, you can't really find out what is going on with your child. The moment news comes in that such and such child was molested, be it a boy or girl, everybody jumps up that good touch, bad touch sessions. What do? We sit down with our child, we'll tell them that maybe
suddenly we want to have conversations.
We do all of those things, but what we fail to understand is if we do this on daily basis, we sit down with our children, get on our knees, play the simpler games, all conversations happen. So I'll give you an example. This happened in one of the Candy Club sessions. But this is not to scare anybody out there. It just happened.
But I feel it's quite relevant.
It's very relevant to all of us, because all of us,
especially the kids we are talking about, 2 to 6 years old, they hardly speak to their parents.
They will not come in and say that this thing happened in school today. They will talk about it only they see a clue around it.
Okay.
So
that's what the play induces.
Yes.
So coming back to the
incident, what happened was we were going to make spiders in one of our sessions, and this girl looked at the spider and she said, Mom, I don't want to play with the spider.
Okay.
And the mom is going, why? What happened? She said, this bhaiya in the school, he came to me and he said, there is a spider which has crawled up your leg into your skirt. So, I don't want to go further on that, but that was an eye-opener for the mother. She said, I spent so much time with my daughter, but this she's never spoken about. And
but again the question is, are you really spending enough time and that to constructive
time?
Right?
So that's what we believe in, that you have to have a lot of constructive time sort of planned into your schedule, and that's where Candy Cane Club helps and comes in the picture.
Okay.
We actually create a play parenting calendar.
For play parenting calendar.
Wow. Entire month you have a calendar available to you as where we have different kind of games that you can play on daily basis with your child. And these games are not something that require you to go to the market, pick up so many different kind of materials, come back and play. These are very simple games, and all our games are about not you sitting down for 2 hours and spending that full 2 hours with your child. It's
Mhm.
about you initiating the game with the child.
Okay, and then the
you
child
sit
can independently.
passively, the child plays independently, but the child will keep talking to you.
Wow.
So I'll give you an example of one of the games that we
Please,
suggested.
yeah.
So we said if everybody has blocks at home. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm sure nobody out there is without some
Yeah.
small
As
or
kids
big
grow
or
up,
whatever.
it orients into Lego
Yes.
blocks. And
So
all
what
that,
we
yeah.
suggested is take some masking tape or any kind of tape
Mhm.
which is like this broad, and sit down with your child and say we are going to make the neighborhoods plan.
Okay.
So you stick the tape on the floor,
Okay.
and you start with the start point, which is of course your house,
Mhm.
and then you ask him that where is the play park,
Okay.
where is say the school,
Mhm.
where is his friend's house, where is the nanny house.
Okay.
So let the child think.
Mhm.
He will
Mhm.
think about all the roads. He will think about do we take a left or right turn. So that's where
Very interesting.
yes. So these are the kind of games that you will find.
And I'm
in
sure the
Candy
kids
Club
kids
app.
will be quite engaged in it, and they'll not like basically you don't really need to interfere also so much. Kids will think of their own.
Sure.
You have to just initiate it, and then it's taken care of.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
It's quite engaging, I suppose.
Yes.
Even mothers who are at times doing a lot of household work with you, they have problems in concentrating on the
Even
kids.
while
So they just
cooking,
switch
we
on the
have,
TV
like,
and give the
yes,
tap.
so in Candy
Instant.
Cane Club, we have an app for the parents. It's not
Oh.
for the children. It's
Oh.
not for the child to come in and look at which game.
Okay.
It's for the parents. So we are almost like a cheat guide to the parent.
Okay.
That okay, you are a little caught up
Okay.
right now. So here is something for you.
Oh, okay. And this app is accessible by all, like all my mothers can download it.
No,
right
it's
now?
only for Candy Cane Club members.
Okay.
We like to build a good community of
Mhm.
parents who want to spend time with the child.
Okay.
So we encourage only people who will add value to other people
Wow.
to come in on this platform.
Wow. And today is a lucky day for our mothers. Mothers, I suppose you might have read on the wall copy post also with these quite sweet two offers, not one but 2+3 subscription offers. In fact, Vidhi, if you can tell our mothers what exactly is the subscription fee and what all are you giving today and
So-
who is getting it?
All right. So our subscription is for 12 months,
Okay.
which is at 12,000. So that's just
Literally 1,000 rupees a month. Wow.
So we are giving out that complimentary, absolutely free to one of the lucky Mumos
Mhm.
who will be sharing this live session. So maximum
Wow.
shares whoever does,
Wow.
they will get it. But
And
we
you
are
have to
not-
share it on from Unimo
Yes.
page or from Work Square page, because from Mumo you can't really share it, guys. So go on our Unimo Universe with Moms page or on the
Yes.
Work Square page, and this live is available there also. Just share it from there. Vidhi will keep tracking, our team will keep tracking on who's sharing the maximum shares on different groups on your timeline, and we'll choose the one lucky winner, Vidhi.
We will choose 3 winners.
Wow.
So there will be one who gets a 12-month membership, the second
Lovely.
will get 6 months, and
Wow.
the third will get 3 months.
Okay, so amazing. So free subscription offer. This doesn't come anywhere else but exclusively on Momo and from
Yes.
amazing Candy Cane Club. Vanita's asking you a question there. She's asking, is this an online club?
It's a mix of online and offline club.
Yeah, you
So
should
the
tell them
only
about
the
the
play
offline
calendar
amazing
is
activity.
online.
Uh-huh.
Other than that, we conduct something very interesting called Discovery Race.
Discovery
which-
race.
Yes. So
Mhm.
the Discovery Race, as the name says,
Mm-hmm.
the child has to discover things around his house.
Okay.
But from parents' point of view, the discovery means that they will be discovering what the child's true capability is.
Yeah. Oh.
And this race takes place in your house through the mobile from our
So it's like a
Candy Cane
treasure
Club
hunt
app.
within the house.
Within the house.
And it's guided by you.
And it's guided by us,
Wow.
and there is behavioral, conceptual learning which happens through this race.
That's
Other
amazing.
than that, we are available in the real world where actually our members meet and interact.
Wow.
Those are done through our Brainy Gig sessions, which
Okay.
are conducted all over Mumbai.
Wow.
So
And you also have a lot of centers you have tied
yes,
up with.
yes.
Yeah?
So we have it in Gamdevi, we have at Worli, Kolaba, Parel, Bandra, Juhu, Mulund. We are coming up very soon at Malad and Kandivali.
Oh, lovely. Okay. So amazing. So I suppose, Vanita, your question is answered. It's not just online, it's also online plus offline.
Yes.
Very engaging club, and everything is included within the subscription fee you pay. And it's primarily for 2 to 6 year old
It's for 2
kids,
to
right?
6 year olds.
Okay. So I suppose our mothers will ask you to develop it for little older kids as well. Okay, Juhi is saying this is very amazing. Conversation is very important with your kids. And Juhi, she has given. She's asking, do you have a center in Navi Mumbai?
We don't have a center in Navi Mumbai, but if you can be the initiator for Navi Mumbai, we can look at you as being an ambassador of Cane Club in that area.
So you sitting at home, wherever you are in whichever area you stay in, Vidhi is asking you to become a brand ambassador sitting in there. So how do you do that, Vidhi?
So you just get in touch with us and you put a group together and you can start a chapter of Candy Cane Club in your area.
Wow.
It's as simple as that.
So I suppose we have some amazing teachers there who have been into various coachings, handwriting experts. We have people who have schools and play schools also. I suppose this is amazing fit for you all, and I'll put up with these numbers and all the contact details on the wall copy post there, mothers, so that you can directly contact the brand and take it forward. And I'm sure this will be an amazing opportunity for mothers to become independent.
Exactly, exactly.
So are there some great earning opportunities with you?
There are. You can not only just become our ambassador, but you can also be our play buddy who actually conducts the sessions for our members all over Mumbai. And other than that, you can also just associate with Candy Cane Club and help spread the word. And so there are a lot of opportunities for mothers. We are a team which is built only by mothers. So we encourage more moms to come in, and we understand full the struggle of our life. We are creating that work-life balance.
Yeah, lovely. So I suppose, guys, there are a lot of things to explore. And in fact, when Vidhi and I were conversing before the live, we were discussing about the unplay date we keep doing, and we can definitely associate with this amazing brand and do some.
We would love to do something around that.
Why not? And Neha is asking you, today's kids have sky high curiosity level. Very important to give enough time with them.
Exactly.
Yeah. Neha Chaturvedi, you're right, and she'll tell you how to do it, how to make that time fruitful.
Yes, so you don't really have to make time, you don't have to take out time within your calendar. You can be spending time while you're in the car, like if we are doing certain topic. Now, one of the things we said was that if you are stepping out in the evening, say if you have a certain time when always you and your child is in the car, say around 7 o'clock or something, always telling that can we spot the moon?
Okay.
And moon is always going to be there. So the child is busy, Mama, I saw the moon, but it looks a little different now.
Okay.
So these are the kind of games that you can constantly keep playing.
Wow.
And these are always, the child will never ever tell you that, okay, I'm bored. Bored word does not exist in Candy Cane Club.
Okay. Nalini is saying this is amazing. Do you also have 3-month subscription or is it only 12 months? Nalini, she has already mentioned that this is an annual
This is an annual subscription.
But you should share this video more often, because maybe you can win the 3-month subscription or 6 months.
Of course.
If you are the luckier one. Okay. Bosky is saying it's a fabulous opportunity. And we'll definitely get in touch with you. Okay, coming to my question here, Vidhi. Sure. We are all excited to now hear about your story. What made you start this? And guys, there's one more game I am putting through. Guess the age of this woman.
Oh my
God.
God.
Even if don't guess her age, just guess the age of her kids. Okay, keep answering there till the time I come back to you with an answer. Okay.
So I started the Candy Cane Club concept when my children were small, and I was constantly looking for that right toy, or the right thing to engage them. I was always looking for that magical toy, but I realized very soon that the magical toy was me. The moment I sit down with my child with a game, the child is interested in that game, and you must have noticed it.
Yeah.
When we buy a new toy, we've come from Hamleys and we bought this toy, we open it, children are so excited. The excitement is not because the child has a new toy. The excitement is there because you're excited. So you have to remember that anytime you want your child to have excitement around the toy, you need to play with it first.
Wow.
So that's where I was constantly playing with my children.
Quite an important takeaway, guys. Yeah.
So that's how Candy Cane Club came into being. I actually designed 10 board games.
Wow.
And those were available at Crossword, Landmark and all sorts of bookstores. We are relaunching the games now.
Wow.
With a newer look. And
now I suppose the entire Mumbai moms will be waiting. In fact, entire Unimo Universal moms will be waiting for you.
I'm sure we're going to have a very, very exclusive special offer for them once I launch.
Please. Our mothers are always waiting for these brand exclusive offers whenever WorkSquare is involved, because they all love WorkSquare now because of doing the things they are doing. Lakshmi Singh is saying Her age would be 35. Lakshmi, I've not understood your question. Is it about your daughter?
No, she's
Acha,
saying
her
that
age. Oh my god.
age is being guessed.
Oh my god.
And they're saying my children's age will be 10,
10,
14,
8
to 10.
Okay, lovely. Okay, so keep guessing. we like it. Okay, so Vidhi, that made you start this amazing concept. And if I may ask you, few important things about, like, say a USP about Candy Cane Club, because there are a lot of parenting activity clubs.
Sure.
There are online clubs, there are offline clubs, there are amazing apps which are learning apps, a lot of things in the market already.
Yes.
And we all are competing for our share of
Exactly.
mommies, and all our mothers sitting out there who are watching you live right now are pretty confused on what to really subscribe to and what
Sure.
not. So if you can tell us the USP of Candy Cane Club, which makes them take their decision easy.
Okay. So Candy Cane Club's USP is that it's all designed for parent and child.
Mm-hmm.
And as I've said it earlier, that it does not mean that you have to be sitting down with your child for 1 hour or 2 hours. It's about you being the initiator of play.
Okay.
Even during the Candy
So,
Cane Club
togetherness.
sessions, it's the togetherness which is more important. We encourage active sessions, so to speak, or active time spent with your child rather than passive.
Lovely.
And we are there to, help you out. And the kind of calendar we put together, the kind of events, experiences that we put together throughout the year. Not only these Brainy Gig sessions, but we also do a lot of pop-up events. Like a birdhouse party was a big success, where
Wow.
kids and parents entered as a team to construct birdhouses made out of wood.
Wow.
So they had like 20 minutes to build it all. And trust me, this was being done by 2 and 3 year olds.
What are you saying?
Yes.
That's amazing.
So that's why Candy Cane Club's events, experiences are never repeated. They're always unique in nature. They're always full of excitement, and of course, you will be smiling and you will be taking home lots more memories.
Okay, lovely. So I suppose our mothers are quite excited with. In fact, I am wondering why my kids have grown up so fast. So they are 11 now, my twin boys, and mothers are already guessing your age, Preeti. Somebody saying you're 40, somebody saying you're 35. Your kids would be 10, 12. Now let's give in the secret, please. So guys, she has 2 kids.
Yes, 2 kids. Ages are 15 and 17.
Imagine. So next time we do a live with her on the fitness scale, okay? What keeps her fit, so that all our mothers can get inspired. So guys, what I mean to say is she started this Candy Club like 3 years back?
3 years back.
3 years back. And what an amazing venture. And I suppose if Vidhi can definitely drive it with so much passion, mothers sitting out there who are enterprising in nature, who wants to get into entrepreneurship, Vidhi, what's your message to them?
See, I always say do something what really brings happiness to you.
Mhm.
And being with kids have always brought a lot of happiness to me. Then things may go up and down. You will have to face a lot of hurdles. Nothing comes easy. But just stick around there and have faith in your true self and what you believe in, and things will happen.
Wow, that's a pretty good close. But Gayatri's asking me a question again and again, so we have to take it. Gayatri is saying my daughter is already 8, but still I'm very busy with my household work and I can't give her more time. Can you help me with this, please?
So Gayatri, your household work can be made into a family work. Like if you involve your children into say when you're cooking, why would you not involve them and say what is it going to be cooked today?
Mhm.
So today's, say the theme is green, or today's theme is about certain nutrients, because at the age of 8 and 9 they would know about
About nutrients,
the
right,
nutrients, and
right.
we can add that into the gameplay.
Mhm.
So if you say today we are going to have a protein intensive diet, so let them decide what is going to be
Yeah.
cooked. So these are
What all
small
food ingredients will be used?
exactly. So
Oh,
what all
lovely.
can be done? So these, sorry.
Yeah. No, that's amazing. That's amazing. Gayatri is quite happy. Rachna is saying my son is only 9 months. How early can we start it in?
You can start even by the age of 1.5.
Okay.
We
Oh, wow.
generalize it at the age of 2. But say if your child is quite active, you've already been spending a lot of
Yeah.
time, you see the difference.
Yeah.
Your
Sometimes
child,
they can
they
cope up with
they can,
food.
if they are talking by the age of 1.5, and then it's a great time to start with them.
Lovely. Ramya is saying our twin boys who are 2-year-old, they fight a lot while playing. Very difficult to handle them. How to make them busy?
Just join Candy Cane Club.
And does she has to have? No, it's just a parenting subscription, so she can just have one.
No, it's for 2 children, but
Okay.
right now we are running an offer that if you join for 1 kid, the other one will come in for free.
Wow. So that we were not aware. Okay, so that's amazing. Nalini saying she has yummy mummy. She has given us a yummy mummy goal.
Great. I'm so glad.
Wow. So Vidhi Mehra has not just given us a lot of goals around our fitness. She's also talked about the planned play parenting, which is amazing, guys. Are you really spending enough time with your kids? Just go back and think about it. And if you're spending some time, is it really a constructive time? Do you really know that play is a conversation starter between you and your child? Like as she rightly mentioned, it can be some issues which really need your attention.
Exactly.
The right touch, wrong touch, molestation, or the problems we are facing every day. It all can be I would say solved or even taken care on time if you discover it on the right time. So that can happen only when you have a conversation going on between you and your kid. And are you really aware of what your child is thinking in here? And not just talking to you, so whatever goes on. In fact, Vidhi, you were saying that during the play you can also discover what they're not telling you, right?
Exactly.
Huh?
So whenever if you keep asking your child every single day about what happened in school, they will never tell you. But if you have different games built around whatever topic they're doing in the school, so anything related to that, if you play at home, they will talk to you at length about what happened in school then.
Wow.
So
wow.
never ever ask them the question, what happened in school today? You will not get an answer.
Wow, that's an amazing tip. In fact, I was seeing History TV 18 day before, and there there were some business ideas and some entrepreneurs who have really made it for the big billion. And they were talking about their success stories, and one of the giveaway was very similar to what you are talking, Vidhi, that every day this entrepreneur's mother used to ask them on the dinner table what was the best thing that has happened to you today. And it was a thing which I suppose she carried it for 20 odd years. And this guy has started a venture on Life is Good, and he said that this was inspired by his mother's story and this incident. And that's what you are also reiterating.
In fact, actually, I ask my children every day, what made you smile today?
Wow.
So that's the best way of getting information.
Lovely. So go back, ask your kids what made you smile today, and I'm sure we made you smile today with this amazing Know Thy Brand Square presented to you by Work Square and Lumo Mumbai Moms. And this time we had this amazing brand with a promise to bring you one more amazing brand next month. Stay tuned, keep watching us, keep loving us. Do put in your queries, questions in there. Vidhi's team will definitely answer to each and every query which is posted there. And do remember to share this video from Unimo University Moms page or from the Work Square page. And there are 3 people who will win the subscription of this amazing Candy Cane Club Parenting subscription for 1 year, 6 months and 3 months. Okay, so lovely. Thank you, Vidhi.
Thank you so much, Neha. This was really enjoyable, and lot of love being sent to all of you and all your kids, and would love to see you become a part of Candy Cane Club.
Let's do that. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya.